Hey Paarees, welcome once more to the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train and all of that. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope you're having a blessed day and all of that. Say hi to the Paarees then.
Blessings, blessings everyone.
Okay, so we are here now. God has blessed us. I am here again with Corey and in son Jason as a witness. Everybody know Corey well and he had asked for some help. Him say him no member. Today is Friday and we videoed him on Tuesday, but him say him no remember. So we have gotten in some money and I just want to say a mighty big thank you to all of the Paarees who came on board and made this first money that I'm giving out to Corey possible. My run card come now because the amount that we have collected, I think it is more than enough for him to go and do his scan right now and if you have transportation and everything. So there are other people want to reach out to Corey. There are other people that want to reach out to you. But what I want to say to you now in front of the whole world, your son, get yourself a phone. Not everybody that wants to help you wants to come through me. Okay? Also, I want to say a big thank you to Kimmy. It came through to Kimmy and I collected it and bring it up. Big up yourself, Kimmy. And I want to say to you, if you're out there and you want to help him and you think that you want to use Zelle or Cash App, you can go through Kimmy. We'll have the info to all of Kimmy's stuff in the description. If you do not want to go through to Kimmy and other people in other countries want to help, but they don't, in those countries they don't have Cash App and Zelle. So you, Corey, have got to get yourself a phone so when they come to me I can give them your number. People genuinely loves you on this camera. They love you for who you are, the character of a person that you are. You are such a joke. You always bring a life to the thing, vibe. So that is why they have reached out to help you. On this video, he'll not be showing, he'll not be saying how much. We're not doing that. And the people don't want their names to be called. Whenever people send and want their names to be called, I'll do it. Everybody say, Auntie Debbie, do not call me name. Debbie, don't call me name. We just want to help Corey. And I want to say thank you so much. So he has gotten some money. His son Jason is here with him. And from there, they'll take it. So I just want to make sure I send this out to the world and also to thank all of those who have trumped out that him could have get it in such a short period of time. So Corey, it is for you to say thank you to the people now.
Hi. Good morning, Paarees. This is Corey. Giving enough thanks for what's come. I don't know the date I'm going to give them to do the scam, but I have to send a date to them very early, very early. So I want to say thanks once more, and God bless who sends and bless who don't.
Yeah.
So may the blessings flow along, and God bless you.
Yeah, so how you feel? Tell them how you feel.
Well, I don't feel emotional. I don't feel like original Corey. Because from Monday gone, I'm bearing a beer, strong face, headache. You understand? So, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So, God bless you and God be with you.
You want to say anything to the people on behalf of your father?
Well, I have to give thanks because Paarees, enough respect. Give thanks, enough blessing, and go and do good in the neighborhood. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this, and word can explain all of this. So, me just have to say, give thanks and God bless you very, 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 very much.